More Life from the musical Now Hear This, soloed by Ethan, Ben, Nina, and Alana, and arranged by Ethan. And thank you so much for coming to our concert. It's actually time for a traditional closer. So if there are any alums